Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my video is a little bit different. I've come to learn that when I'm able to fully explain and almost teach the problem to somebody, or I can fully explain how to do the problem, then I can have that confirmation within myself that I am absolutely 100% confident in solving this equation. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be going over this problem with you guys, and then I'm going to be solving it and showing you guys how to solve the problem. And this is how I do it. Let's begin. A provider orders amoxicillin 25 milligrams per kilogram per day by mouth, divided into 3 daily doses for a child weighing 43 pounds. The available suspension is 250 milligrams per 5 milliliters. How many milliliters per dose should the nurse administer and round to the nearest tenth? So we are solving for how many milliliters per dose. So with a problem like this, I would start by converting 43 pounds to kilograms. So let's start with that. £43 to kilograms. We know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So in order to get our new weight, we'll have to divide. We'll have to know how many kilograms are in 43 pounds. So we do 43 divided by 2.2, and we get 19.5. So that's our new weight. So because I'm just going over this and I want to fully explain, hold on guys, let me go take my food out of my oven. Now I convert pounds to kilograms by dividing by 2.2. So, okay, let's continue on with our problem. So we know that 1 day equals 24 hours. We know that 1 day equals 24 hours. So 3 daily doses. So let's just divide by 3 daily doses. So every 8 hours. So 3 daily doses every 8 hours. Keywords are 3 daily doses. So now that our conversions are complete, let's continue solving the problem by doing desired over half. So we're looking for our desired. We know that the doctor ordered 25 milligrams per kilogram. So we know it's 19.5 kilograms, so we're going to plug that in. And then 19.5 kilograms per day divided into 3 daily doses. 3 daily doses. Now let's multiply and then divide. Okay, so now we multiply 25 times 19.5. We get 487.5. And now we're going to divide that by 3, and we should get 162.5. So this is our desired. That's our desired. Now we have to do our halves. So I like to use dimensional analysis to solve this problem, so that's what we're going to do. So now we're trying to find milliliters. So we already know how much it is per dose, 162.5. We know that that's milliliters per dose because we're looking for per dose milliliters. Now that we have the dose, so now let's find how many milliliters. So we start by matching milliliters. We find milliliters up here. So we have 5 milliliters, and then they stick together, so we put 250 milligrams on the bottom. Here's our problem. Boom. So 162 milligrams. Let's plug it in, 162.5. Cross out mg, cross out mg. Oh, and it's per day. So for our desired 25 times 19.5, and then when we get our answer divided by 3, we're going to put it over a day, because the day is by itself, so we're going to put dosage per day, 3 daily doses per 1 day. I hope that makes sense. So 3 daily doses of 162.5 milligrams per day. So now let's continue solving the equation. We're going to do 5 times 162.5. Okay guys, so we're solving for milliliters. Remember, so 5 times 162.5. We put that in the calculator. We get 812.5. Cool. So we get 812.5. That's our top number. I've already desired and our half, remember? So 812, 250 times 1 is 250. Let's divide. We get 3.25. But the question is not finished. We have to round to the 10th. If this is our ones place, this is our 10th place. So this is what we're rounding. So 5 and below, I'm at 5 and above. Give it a shove. So we make this number a 3. So this is our final answer. So milliliters per dose is 3.3.